Welcome to Next Gen Investors. Today, we are exploring Ondo Finance, a protocol that's bringing real-world assets like US Treasury bonds onto the blockchain. Backed by giants like BlackRock and Coinbase Ventures, Ondo is changing how crypto investors earn safe, stable yields. Core products of Ondo. Ondo's main products include OUSG, USDY, and EUROY. OUSG is a token backed by short-term US Treasury bonds. USDY is a yield-bearing token designed as a stable-coin alternative. EUROY is a similar product for those looking for euro-denominated yield. All three are designed to give real yield from real assets, not inflated DeFi rewards. How Ondo works. The process is simple. Users deposit stable coins like USDC. In return, they receive tokens like OUSG or USDY. These tokens are backed by actual government bond ETFs, held with licensed custodians. The yield generated from these bonds is passed on to the token holders directly. Big investors and partners. Ondo isn't just another DeFi project, it has serious backing. BlackRock manages the US Treasury ETFs that back OUSG. Coinbase Ventures, Pantera Capital, and Founders Fund have invested in Ondo. This strong institutional support builds trust and signals long-term potential. Ondo token role. Ondo is the native token of the platform. It's used for governance, protocol utility, and possibly fee benefits. It doesn't generate yield directly, but it gives exposure to the platform's future growth. Ondo is already listed on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin. Why Ondo is gaining attention in a post-DeFi world? People want real, stable returns, not unsustainable APYs. Ondo gives access to real-world yield while staying within the crypto ecosystem. It's transparent, compliant, and backed by regulated institutions. This makes it appealing to both retail and institutional investors. Latest developments. Ondo recently expanded to Solana and Mantle for cheaper transactions. OUSG has crossed over $250 million in assets under management. The team is also expanding globally, especially focusing on Asia and Europe. The growth shows strong demand for tokenized real-world assets. Potential risks. Like any project, Ondo isn't risk-free. Regulatory uncertainty could affect how tokenized securities are treated. There's also counterparty risk from custodians and fund managers. And smart contract vulnerabilities are always a factor in crypto. Who can benefit from Ondo? Ondo is ideal for investors who want steady yield from trusted sources. If you are tired of risky DeFi projects and want something reliable, Ondo is worth a look. However, it's not meant for short-term traders chasing big profits. It's more for long-term investors focused on stability and passive income. Final thoughts. Ondo Finance is leading the way in tokenized real-world assets. By connecting blockchain with traditional finance, it offers real yield in a safe, transparent manner. With backing from BlackRock and other top firms, this could be a major trend in the next wave of crypto. Stay informed, do your research, and keep an eye on Ondo Finance. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Investors. See you in the next one.